Welcome to Lifelong Etudiant. Today I come with another brand new video, and today we'll be looking at the two zoom lenses, the 18 to 55 millimeter lens and the 18 to 135 millimeter lens. So let's get started. Here is the small 18 to 55 millimeter lens. So this one is a kit lens. Mostly when you're buying the 1000D cameras, you have this kit lens. The cameras come with this kit lens, the 18 to 55 millimeter lens. So normally it is the kit. So as you can see here, the sizes are, the kit is smaller, this other kit is bigger, simply because the 18 to 135 millimeter lens has a larger zoom up to 135 millimeter, and it has an image stabilizer, which is, comparing to this one, has no image stabilizer. And it has also a lock right here. You can lock it once you make the focus, you lock, then you take the image. So as you know, these lenses, the reason as to why when you buy the 80Ds, the 1000Ds cameras, they come with these kit lenses, because they are very universal. You can use them inside your house, outside. They can take every shot. You can use the kit lenses. Comparing to the prime lenses, you can only take portrait shots, and this one you don't have to move closer to the subject or away from the subject. You just use the zoom, right? This one you just zoom in and you take the close-up right and clear. Jesus, whoa. All right, so again, another thing, what can I say about the weight now? This one here, 18 to 135 millimeter, is actually heavier than the kit lens. You know the reason. It has a metallic mount here, but this one is a plastic mount. So that's the difference, and it makes it to the weight as well. And also the zooming size. The zooming size, 18 to 135, pretty much, you know, that has to contain some more of the plastics and the metal. So yeah, heavier than the 18 to 55 millimeter lens. So thank you so much for watching this video. Check my other videos on cameras, on 4000D cameras, on how to be a professional photographer, and on how to take some shots using the aperture, the shutter speed, and the ISO. Thanks for watching.